Chef Cody is joining us again to share one of his favorite things to make, Rice Krispie treats. The ingredients you will need are baby marshmallows, Rice Krispie cereal, and a half a stick of butter. Throw the butter in the pan. Chef Cody stirs till it's melted. Next, with the help of his dad, he adds 4 cups of marshmallows. He gives his dad a high five for doing a good job. Next, he melts some marshmallows. He has to keep stirring them so they don't burn. Whoops, I think a marshmallow jumped out. Chef Cody then adds the Rice Krispies. They drop in the rest. It comes to about 6 cups. They mix it thoroughly and pour into a pan. Then they press it down. Well, time to clean up. Chef Cody found a couple of marshmallows. The Rice Krispie treats came out great. Hey, somebody snuck a bite. We want to thank Chef Cody for sharing one of his favorite things to make and eat. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.